Today I learned that if the fast charging function of a mobile phone disappears or it cannot charge, is not necessarily because the accessories are broken. We could try the elimination method. The first step is to check the charging cable, which is the most easily damaged. We could try to use someone else's charging cable that can charge normally. Let's charge our own mobile phone to see if it shows fast charging. If it can charge quickly, it means that there's a problem with your cable or power adapter. We need to further test whether it is a problem with the cable or adapter. Then change our own cable. There's only slow charging, but no fast charging. We need to further test whether it is a problem with the cable or the identifier. We can try to replace our cable that cannot charge quickly with someone else's identifier. If it shows fast charging, it means that it is a problem with the power identifier. There's another situation. We replace the identifier that others can charge normally, but our own phone still cannot charge. In many cases, it may be a problem with the charging port. There is dirt in it, or there is dirt on the copper sheet, which causes poor contact. Most of the time, it is because there is dirt or lint here. The charging port of this mobile phone is exposed to the outside. So many times there is friction in our pockets, especially in winter, lint and dirt will enter. We could try to turn off the phone first, and then use this needle to pick out the things inside. We could take a look at the dirt. After picking out the dirt, we must use a finer one to clean it out. Look at this surface lint. One is that our mobile phone has friction on this surface. A lot of it is because of this that the charging port cannot be inserted to the bottom. It is not necessarily a broken accessory. Some people go to the repair shop when they have a problem. For example, we only need to use the elimination method to check whether there is a problem with our power adapter and charging cable. If there is no problem, we need to take a further photo of our charging port. We can see that this problem can be solved by ourselves. Basically, it can be repaired. Most of the time, it is because there is dirt in the charging port. Another point is that our copper sheet, let's take a look at it. There is this copper sheet inside. Dirt on the copper sheet will cause poor contact. We can use this needle to rub it back and forth on it. The same as the charging port, we can disassemble it like this and touch the charging socket back and forth. Don't use too much force, just wipe it gently to remove the dirt. We can easily fix it with this method without changing parts. After cleaning, we can return to normal. If it still can't be solved, we have to try to change the charging plug or replace the small board inside. For example, if your mobile phone can't be charged or fast charged for hours, you can use this method to clean the dirt inside. Also, unplug the charging cable. There are copper sheets inside. We need to clean the contact position to make it better. The door is oxidized and there's a layer of dirt inside, which causes a poor contact. We just need to clean it and the problem will be solved. Okay, let's share this video here. See you in the next video. Bye.